I'm going to show you an inexpensive DIY moss pole that you can make for your small or large houseplants. So let's get started. For your supplies, you're going to need moss. Sphagnum moss is what I researched is best. Or you can use coconut husk. I've seen a lot of people use coconut husk. I got this at Lowe's for $5.08, and then a pack of 12 bamboo stakes at Fred Meyer for $3.50. They were on sale. And then these pack of 3 6-foot bamboo stakes, which was $12.99. So when you get started, you're gonna want to empty your moss into like a bowl or a baking tray, like such as this, and leave it and soak it in water. Leave it for like 3 to 5 minutes, I would say. And I'm gonna take the 4-foot stakes, bamboo stakes, and I'm going to take 2 of them, and with the wire, I'm going to tie them together on like 4 points. So we're just going to start packing it onto the pole. I've found that little bits at a time helps a lot when you're wrapping it, especially by yourself. And then when you're finished, you're going to end it by leaving some excess string at the top. And then you're going to cut a separate piece. It doesn't need to be that long. And you're going to wrap it around the moss pole and tie those 2 ends together. And then you're gonna take the excess one and wrap them all together. And then cut the excess, and you've got your moss pole. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. I had used twine to hold my monstera on the moss pole. It'll probably grow out of this moss pole within, I would say, 3 to 4 months, but I do like the look of it not poking out at the top so much. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was enjoyable to watch. If you liked it, give me a like. If you want to see more videos such as these about houseplants, give me a comment. Peace and love, you guys.